Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on one of the most bullish cryptos in the markets right now, which is Bonk. All right. Wanted to do a full video on this. I personally also bought Bonk yesterday during the crash. So therefore, I've been looking at this chart quite a bit, right? So I know what I think about this chart. I know what to look for, etc. So that's what we'll talk about. I think in general, Bonk, if you look at the order flow, if you look at the price action here, I think it's very bullish, all right? If you look at this chart, sure, we had a big spike down into 2170. But ultimately, if you compare this chart to most of the crypto market right now, it's extremely bullish. And I would even say that if you zoom all the way back out here, like over the last day, except for Sui and Athena, it's actually one of the most bullish cryptos in the last 24 hours, right? But I think most of you already know that. So it's been relatively strong. Now the big question is well, can we actually continue this bullish momentum, right? Because what you tend to see is that yesterday we had a lot of uncertainty. There still is a lot of uncertainty. So fundamentally, whether Bonk can actually continue here or not is dependent on that, right? If the fundamentals become worse again over the course of today, then Bonk is not going to be able to hold the breakouts it's gotten. For example, right here, you can see some sort of a resistance level or some sort of a key level between 2350 and 2450. We were able to break above that. And you can see that Bonk also over the course of this morning, well, basically yesterday evening already, gains quite a lot of momentum. So you have a breakout here with momentum, significant breakout with momentum, while the markets were relatively bearish. Usually the coins that perform well when the market is a bit more bearish will perform well afterwards as well. So everything is pointing into the right direction for Bonk. But the question very much remains, well, can we actually hold this breakout? Because if the situation in the Middle East escalates and Bitcoin falls down to 60,000 and lower, Bonk is not going to be able to hold this breakout, right? And Bonk actually yesterday fell down a lot as well. We got some major liquidations. It spiked down hard. So for now, getting those liquidations and getting that very solid bottom right here and that strong reaction afterwards is bullish, but only if the situation doesn't escalate. So on the 4-hour time frame, I would say keep an eye on that level between 2350 and 2450. For now, we've broken above that. For now, Bonk has the momentum. And I believe also the volume, but that I do want to look at real quick. And the volume is also great. I mean, volume right now is the highest it's been in a very long period of time, since basically May when we made our all-time high. So that's good. So yeah, for now, I would say it's most likely that we are going to be able to continue this at least into 2750 and 2900. Ultimately, if the market is able to recover here and is able to reverse back to bullish again, I do think we can go higher as well. But short term, I would say this is most likely, slightly dependent on the fundamentals. So keep an eye on that for yourself as well. I'll try to keep you updated on that as well. But that's what you need to know for now. All right. A little bit of a short video, but I think that's a crucial information. And just in general, if the situation does become worse and you see Bitcoin falling back down towards like 60,000. If Bitcoin falls back down to 60,000 here, it's probably going to drop down lower, right? It's very rare that if Bitcoin makes a low like this, gets major liquidations, and that it falls back down, that we make a double bottom. That almost never happens. So if Bitcoin starts to fall back down there, then Bonk is probably also going to fall down if it isn't already back there by then. So that's kind of your cue that Bonk is going to drop down below 2350 and down to like 2100 and to 2000. Until then, I think we're good. But those are my thoughts. That's sort of thing you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.